Habather teng eu menteri rang ba kajala konrat Sangma bat unong Ialam ke NPP unong Ialam kaliang persya Mukul Sangma ulaang ba umenjur bat konrat Sangma ba ke Sorkar ba Mynta kelala ban penulong ya ke ka ba kiwe ki Sorkar ba mensyua kimla satya ulaang ba ke Jingleh Jong ke Sorkar ba Mynta kelai Ialam ya ki Briew ban Pynduh Jingkyrmen bat ban sedang bu Jingkliru ya ki nong Ialam Kidon ru sibun ki ki jingja sya keno ha ke jing bombiang ke rukam treikam bat ke jing bamsap ya kebalawan rak hakmat ke Sorkar bat ba ke jing kentat na ke por syakapor la ki bor penyaj kam juk hamja ha ki por balalej la keno Mukul haba penpau halor ke jing ajing keren Jong menteri rang ba ha ke sengi rakhe ya ke jing yo laj lot keri
Incumbent government has achieved what other governments in the past have not achieved. You know, they have achieved to generate that narrative where the question of probity in public life is being questioned by every citizen in the state. That has not happened in the past. There are too many, I say too many. You will have to have, you know, your fingertips to count actually one by one. And you may have to pause to rethink and then recollect which are those issues. How many instances of such alleged irregularities and corruptions have been brought before the government, and the persistent denial adopted by the government with complete sense of impunity, that has never happened in the past.